Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A contemporary home situated deep within a lush, temperate forest. The architecture is a modular structure defined by its arched roof, which is entirely covered in a vibrant, living green roof, a sod or turf roof. This design promotes sustainability and helps the structure blend seamlessly into its environment. The main facade is an elegant combination of materials. A single-story module clad in dark, flat siding extends on the left, while the larger, arched section features a massive curved glass wall. This glass wall opens the interior, which is visible and warmly lit, to the dense surroundings. On the left, a black metal staircase leads to a rooftop deck with a matching railing, offering an elevated outdoor space. The home sits on a wide wooden deck that transitions into a pathway, framed by ferns, low-voltage landscape lights, and rich foliage, creating a sense of secluded, eco-conscious, and intimate luxury. Two-story modern home with a design that expertly blends contemporary lines with traditional farmhouse elements, captured at dusk with dramatic lighting. The most distinguishing characteristic is the vibrant, deep red-orange horizontal siding that covers the facade, creating a warm, inviting glow under the exterior spotlights. The home maintains a classic gabled roofline with dark shingles and features bold black trim around all the windows and doors, providing a sharp, modern contrast to the siding. The lower level is anchored by substantial gray stacked stone masonry on the front porch and foundation. The entrance area has a covered porch with a black metal awning and large, black-framed French doors. Strategically placed uplighting illuminates the stone accents and lower landscaping, enhancing the home's sophisticated, warm, and highly visible curb appeal against the darkening woodland background. Two-story custom home designed in a sophisticated, transitional style that combines contemporary clean lines with traditional heavy masonry. The house features a striking high-contrast palette with the lower level and primary architectural supports clad in heavy, multi-toned gray stone masonry. This contrasts beautifully with the smooth, light-colored stucco or plaster siding used on the upper sections and gables. The roof is covered in dark shingles, complemented by bold black trim and window frames around the numerous large windows, which emphasize the verticality of the structure. The central feature is a covered porch or terrace with expansive black-framed glass doors and windows, creating a perfect indoor-outdoor living area furnished with comfortable seating. The approach is marked by wide, well-lit steps and a manicured lawn and landscaping, reinforcing the home's air of grandeur, custom design, and secluded luxury within a natural setting. Single-story modern pavilion deeply integrated into a lush, vibrant, tropical or subtropical environment, with towering misty mountains visible in the distance. The architecture is pure minimalism, featuring a flat, dark roof and a deep overhang that shields a facade composed almost entirely of floor-to-ceiling glass doors and windows. This transparency allows the warmly lit, minimalist interior, showing a lounge and a partial kitchen, to seamlessly blend with the vibrant outdoors. The home is set on a low platform with a pathway of neat stone pavers leading up to stone steps. The foreground is alive with a manicured, jungle-like garden featuring lush green foliage, ferns, and clusters of bright red and orange flowers, creating a scene of secluded, sophisticated, and tranquil luxury. Two-story custom home designed in a contemporary craftsman style, set against a backdrop of mature trees during the soft light of dusk. The architecture features a sophisticated, high-contrast color palette, defined by charcoal gray horizontal siding and a substantial dark shingled roof and dark trim, giving it a dramatic, modern look. The facade is anchored by robust stacked stone masonry columns that support a wide, covered front porch. The porch is warmly illuminated by multiple recessed lights and wall sconces, highlighting a comfortable outdoor seating area. Black-framed windows and glass-paneled double doors are used throughout, allowing a soft, inviting interior light to glow outwards. The approach to the house features a meticulously manicured lawn and a paver pathway lined with subtle landscape lighting, which enhances the home's air of sophisticated, rugged elegance and luxurious curb appeal. Single-story modular home set deep within a lush, tropical jungle environment. The design is a sophisticated take on industrial chic, combining a black-framed glass pavilion with a distinctive vibrant orange shipping container module on the right side. The central area is an open-plan living space enclosed by floor-to-ceiling glass walls and sliding doors, which opens onto a dark wooden deck. The warmly lit interior reveals a stylish living room with a long brown sofa and a cozy bedroom section, all designed with a modern, earthy palette. The home is approached by wide concrete steps leading up from a manicured lawn, framed by dense, large-leaf tropical plants and palm trees. The overall effect is a striking blend of bold color, high-end design, and secluded jungle luxury. Single-story modern pavilion seamlessly integrated into a lush, subtropical or tropical environment. The house features a low, flat dark roof with deep eaves that extend over a spacious patio, framing a spectacular view of misty, jungle-clad mountains in the background. The facade is almost entirely composed of black-framed, sliding glass walls, which allow the warm interior light to highlight the minimalist furnishings and open the living space to the outdoors. The home is set above a beautifully landscaped garden with a pathway of rectangular stone pavers set in a grassy lawn. The foreground is rich with vibrant, layered tropical foliage and splashes of bright red and orange flowers, creating an atmosphere of tranquil, high-end design and total immersion in nature. Two-story modern farmhouse characterized by a high-contrast and warm color palette, captured at dusk. The design features a classic gabled roofline with dark shingles and a body clad in vibrant, deep red horizontal siding. The red siding is sharply contrasted by the bold black trim and black-framed windows throughout the house, which are warmly illuminated from the inside. The lower level is anchored by gray stacked stone masonry, which supports a covered front porch. The entrance features glass-paneled double doors, and the porch and surrounding landscaping are lit by strategic spotlights and ground lighting, creating a cozy, luxurious, and highly inviting curb appeal. Two-story modern farmhouse set against a backdrop of dense trees. The home is defined by a striking, high-contrast palette of bright white vertical board and batten siding set against a dark metal standing seam roof and bold black trim. The architecture features multiple gabled rooflines, with a prominent central gable showcasing natural wood timber accents. A welcoming covered front porch runs along the facade, supported by a mix of white posts and sturdy stacked stone columns. The foundation features rustic stone masonry, and the entrance is flanked by large windows and glass-paneled double doors, all contributing to an atmosphere of classic, luxurious, and high-end country living. A sustainable and minimalist cabin set in a remote, arid, and open desert landscape, likely powered off-grid. The home features a unique, cylindrical or circular design, with the walls clad in a mix of warm, vertical wood siding and a corrugated, weathered metal surface. The structure is highly focused on efficiency, featuring solar panels mounted on the flat section of the roof, and a visible wind turbine standing tall in the background, reinforcing its self-sustaining nature. The living space opens onto a wide wooden deck furnished with comfortable outdoor seating and low tables. Large, black-framed windows on the curved front wall offer panoramic views of the distant, rolling hills and the vast, scrubby terrain. The sky is dramatic, with dark storm clouds contrasting with patches of bright blue, highlighting the home's isolated and beautiful setting. A modern house with a circular or curved profile, positioned directly on a sandy beach at the base of a dramatic, light-colored bluff or cliff face. The structure is entirely clad in warm, vertical wood siding, giving it a sleek yet natural appearance. The core of the facade is a large, sweeping section of curved, black-framed glass windows and sliding doors, which opens the interior to the ocean view and the sound of the waves. A wide wooden deck wraps around the front of the home, gently curving and stepping down into the sand, creating a seamless transition from the architecture to the beach. The deck is minimally furnished with an outdoor chair and features steps on the left. The distant ocean and clear blue sky complete the scene of a secluded, sophisticated, and intimate coastal sanctuary. Multi-story structure constructed from stacked and curved shipping container modules, set in a semi-urban environment at dusk. The architecture is characterized by its dark, corrugated metal exterior, which provides a rugged, industrial aesthetic. The home is composed of 3 main levels, each slightly offset, creating circular balcony patios that wrap around the building. The design features numerous large, black-framed windows and glass doors, including unique circular porthole windows on the upper levels. The interior spaces are warmly lit, revealing open-plan living and kitchen areas. The ground floor opens onto a wide, circular concrete patio that is accented with a simple black gravel and low plantings. The exterior is strategically lit with warm wall sconces that highlight the textured metal siding and the multiple outdoor decks furnished with modern seating. This structure is a bold, modern adaptation of industrial materials for a unique residential or commercial space. Two-story custom home designed in a high-contrast modern farmhouse aesthetic, nestled within a dense, mature forest. The home uses a dramatic, dark charcoal or black vertical siding paired with a steep, dark shingled roof. Key architectural features include prominent gables with natural wood timber accents and exposed beams, which add warmth and a touch of craftsman style. The base of the house is anchored by substantial multi-tone stacked stone masonry on the foundation and porch columns. A welcoming, covered front porch features a natural wood door and is warmly illuminated by exterior sconces. The approach is marked by a tiered, landscaped garden and a stepping stone path leading to the entrance, creating a beautiful blend of rugged elegance and inviting luxury.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.